Review of the offset page. So you got offsets here. The upper left one up here is a shifting offset, kind of like the equivalent of the G92 in a Haas. This is your basic G54, 55, 56. Next page is 57, 8, and 9. And then they have some machines that have more coordinates than that, but that's your basic 6. Then you have over here offsets. So that's tool length offsets. Pretty much you got to have all those, and this is for adjusting those. And if you're using hand programming, you'd have to put geometry in here. This is set up for radius. You got to make sure if your machine is set up in diameter or radius, and you'd plug those numbers in here. But this is also for adjusting. If you're using cutter compensation, your wear column is for adjusting. So this is adjusting height up and down, and this is adjusting sideways, but only if you have cutter comp. So you get work offsets, tool offsets. And this is called a setting page. Now we have this one set up as inch. It says input-output channel 17. So sometimes if you can't get your USB to read, make sure the input-output is set to 17. So if you're in your program folder, and I got my USB in now, you have USB and memory card, and you go to switch operator screen. You want to do device change and you're not getting this or not getting to read, make sure that's set to input output 17. So you got CNC memory, USB memory, and some people still use the bigger memory cards. That would be this one here. And I believe you can drip feed off of these, which means you're going to select the program directly from USB. So if we had, say we had a very long program and I went in here and I go to the plus button, you got to have a selection in here that says main program. You got to be able to make it the main program. I'm not seeing that in this one. So I'm in USB now. When we're setting a program in the folder, and you switch back to device change and CNC memory, it's right there. It says main program. You have to switch programs, just switch to main program. And I had some other issues in here where I had edit and background edit. So I had a bunch of programs up here because I didn't select main program, so I was hitting select. Without this, it hits select. And I went into the program screen and there was programs up there, and it started piling up, and I realized I actually had background edit on. So, all right, that's some tips for me. Thanks.